Hi, welcome to White Horse Manpower. We have a lot of openings for IT currently. Mr. Sachin will give us the update on that. Sachin, up to you.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmad. We have openings for skill set and technologies, .NET, automation UI, Java tester, Azure, ETL testing plus Python programming. Then for CGP, Java developer, full stack. And for technical support, we have 11.1 support, Windows desktop support, voice, networking, CCNA, Oracle and PLSQL, Power BI, Python developer, technical with Java full stack developer. Then SAPABAP and HANA, SAP Basics, SAP BW and BODS, SAP Functional Testing, SAP SD, Success Factors, Testing Automation, Selenium.
Right. Thank you, Sachin. The openings what he discussed now are much more than what he told. These are the basic titles what he has spoken. Maybe for further details you may log on to www.whitehorsemanpower.in, or you may call the number which is given on the screen so that we can help you and brief you about the rounds. And thank you for today. We'll see you again in the next video.